Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active4 Pro, and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, it is required, and then we can enter the settings. So let's tap on them, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom actually to find this last section, and the software update is at the top of it. So let's simply tap on it, and here let's tap on download and install. And as you can see, your device will check for the updates, and you can meet two different scenarios. Basically, that is why we need the internet connection. You can meet two different scenarios. The first one is where you're up to date and there's nothing to download. Your device will show you this information, of course. And the second scenario is where the update is available. So your device will show you the information about the new version. It will show you the info, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install somewhere here and apply the updates. For some reason, I'm unable to check the updates, but trust me, this is how it works. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.